I've been watching you for a while. You smile and stuff. Wanna know if I can be with you for the night.
Now let's say you naughty. Say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you naughty. Say what's your price?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. I really do hope that you stay, you subscribe, and you become a part of the ZeeX family. Yeah. Now, as you guys can see by the title of today's video, today we're going to be doing a video with Recool hair. This hair is absolutely stunning. You guys are going to be watching me install the hair, and then I will style the hair at the end as well. As I told you guys, the whole of 2021 is 4 5x5 lace closures, HD lace closures to be specific. I absolutely love this closure wig from Recool hair. It is actually 26 inches long and it's absolutely stunning. I will leave all the specs on the screen right now. You guys have seen me install hair quite a few times by now, and this is a very simple install, so I won't be talking you guys through the entire video. This is sort of like a video you can watch when you are installing your hair as well. So enjoy the music. I really picked out a fire playlist for you guys so you guys can enjoy, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys when we are done looking cute, looking pretty with our curls doing exactly what they need to do. It's summertime, it's hot, we outside. Get yourself some curls ASAP. Rocky. Don't forget to check the description box if you'd like any information on this hair.
You make me so
this one I can do with the jabba. Me, I no get time, I did jabba. Dada cover my face, calling me jabba. Biggie man, we don't give jabba. Let me. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the bench, the get them, ride and go. I no fit, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the bench, the get them, ride and go. I no fit, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when you do, I try to do to me. I can't come and keep myself. Plenty survive we be face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one time, I know one time, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl, ride the window. I know,
As we hot comb this hair, I would like to outro this video. I hope you guys really did enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoy my little playlist. You guys will see that the hair looks beautiful once you are done installing, and it's so easy. That's my favorite part about it. If you guys would like any more information on the hair, check out my description box, and I'll see you in the next video.
See, I've been watching you for a while. You smile and stuff. Wanna know if I can be with you for the night. Is that alright, baby? Baby. There is only one for me. You